Gage fly back the rope and racing. All in front is taken by Stormbreaker from the outside. What about Willis Apple Green, then followed by Tala sa Umaga. Next on line is Zalazam Dreamworks, while Prince Dugo is running in at tail of the fielder. Going along for the first turn, Stormbreaker leads Balang, followed by Apple Green. Tala sa Umaga from the outside, third, 3 lengths par back now. Is Zalazam. Into the back they travel. Stormbreaker leads Balang, followed now by Tala sa Umaga. Apple Green is racing third by another Lenka. And down the half mile they travel. It is still Stormbreaker, followed now by Apple Green. Tala sa Umaga from the outside, third, long way back, Salazam. Inside the last 600, it's still Stormbreaker being joined by Apple Green. 2 lengths back, Tala sa Umaga. It's Apple Green on the outside by a neck, followed by Stormbreaker. And Tala sa Umaga remains in third. Towards the final turn, it's still Apple Green. Leads Balang coming up now, followed by Stormbreaker. And Tala sa Umaga running in third, Zalazam. And down the stretch they go. It is still Apple Green. Leads by some 3 lengths over Stormbreaker. And finally, it's Apple Green, Stormbreaker, Zalazam, Tala sa Umaga, Prince Dugo, and Dreamworks.
Quartet niya.
1624. 16, forecast na 16, 16 din. 16.